on Windows, press the Windows key. Type XMPP Control Panel and click on the application. After that, look for the row labeled A Page and then click the Start button located in the Actions column. The success indicator, if the word A Page turns green, and you will see the port number appear next to it.
Look for the row labeled MySQL. Click the Start button in the Actions column. The success indicator, if the word MySQL will turn green, and a port number will appear. Open any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar at the top, type localhost and press enter. The success indicator, if you see the Welcome to XMPP dashboard page, your local server is officially live and ready for use.